Explain question number 8, exercise 1.4, class 12th. Let multiplication sign be the binary operation on n defined as a multiplication b is equal to SCF of a and b. Is multiplication sign commutative? Is associative? Does there exist identity for this binary operation on n? Means I define to that commutative, associative for this operation, and also find to identity of this operation. Solution: the binary operation multiplication on n defined as a multiplication b is equal to SCF of a and b, means in two values of SCF, means highest common factor. It is known that SCF of a and b is equal to SCF of b and a for all a b belongs to n. Therefore a multiplication b is equal to b multiplication a, means that write down first a or b. Highest common factor is take same, so thus the operation multiplication is commutative. For a b c belongs to n, we have bracket a multiplication b multiplication of c is equal to bracket SCF of a and b multiplication c is equal to SCF of a, b and c. A multiplication bracket of b multiplication c is equal to a multiplication bracket SCF of b and c is equal to SCF of a, b and c. Therefore bracket a multiplication b is equal into multiplication of c is equal to a multiplication bracket of b multiplication c. Thus the operation star is associative, means highest common factor for three values take is same. To which way to find? Any way to find. So these two condition is associative condition. That's why these two conditions SCF value is same. Therefore bracket a multiplication b multiplication of c is equal to a multiplication bracket of b multiplication c. Thus the operation multiplication is associative. Now as element e belongs to n will be the identity. Thus the operation multiplication is associative. Now an element e is belongs to n will be the identity of the operation multiplication if a multiplication is equal to a is equal to e multiplication a. Therefore all a belongs to n, means that a multiplication e is equal to a is equal to e multiplication a, means identity is a if a is belongs to n, because anyway one value is take multiply first or in last, so value is take same, then that value, so that is the identity for all a belongs to n. But relation is not true for any a, not true for a belongs to n, means some conditions is there to a belongs to n, but this condition is not true. Thus the operation multiplication does not have any identity in n.